When you hear the word acetaminophen, what do you think of? Most people think of Tylenol, and when you think of that medication, if you were asked, is it harmful, most would say no. It is our goal with this video to open your eyes to some facts you need or should know about this drug.
What is acetaminophen? According to the Webster's New College Dictionary, acetaminophen is a white crystalline powder used for reducing fever and relieving pain. According to our chemistry book, acetaminophen is aromatic amide commonly used in place of aspirin. It was first synthesized in 1893. According to the Encyclopedia Britannica, acetaminophen relieves pain by raising the body's pain threshold, and it reduces fever by its action on the temperature regulating center of the brain. The drug inhibits prostaglandin synthesis in the central nervous system, but it lacks an anti-inflammatory effect in peripheral nerves. Acetaminophen is much less likely to cause gastrointestinal side effects than aspirin, but overdoses of it can cause fatal liver damage. For prolonged use, aspirin is considered safer.
The chemical formula of acetaminophen is C8H9NO2, and the chemical elements that make up acetaminophen is carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen.
Dangers of acetaminophen is what you need to know. The widely used pain and fever reliever, acetaminophen, is a leading cause of acute liver failure, even at doses that are within the recommended range. Acetaminophen accounts for tens of thousands of calls to poison control centers and hospital admissions each year, as well as hundreds of deaths. Both alcohol consumption and fasting due to illness, anorexia, or malnutrition greatly increase the risk of liver injury due to acetaminophen. Nearly half of people who overdose on acetaminophen do so unintentionally, due to unrelieved pain or combining medications, over-the-counter or prescription, that contain acetaminophen. Despite calls for increased safety measures and education campaigns, the FDA has failed to take decisive action to protect the public from the health risks posed by acetaminophen. You can protect yourself by avoiding alcohol and fasting while using the drug, and by using one acetaminophen product at a time. Consider targeted nutritional therapies to help protect your body against the dangers of acetaminophen toxicity.
Acetaminophen is found in many drugs like Tylenol, Datril, Vicodin, Loratab, Maxidone, Percocet, and Darvocet.
My name is Leonetta Cook. I've been in nursing for 21 years and am presently working in a small rural hospital emergency department. I've been asked to speak about acetaminophen. Many think that acetaminophen is a harmless drug, but that's simply not true. For an adult, 1,000 milligrams per dose with no more than 4,000 milligrams in a 24-hour period is the recommended amount. One extra strength acetaminophen is 500 milligrams and one regular strength is 325 milligrams. Taking more than the recommended amount can cause liver damage and death. Combination drugs are a real problem. Many over-the-counter cold medicines and allergy medicines contain acetaminophen. People can take too much without realizing there's a problem. People who drink more than 3 alcoholic beverages in a 24-hour period are also at risk because they could have a liver disease called cirrhosis, which causes the liver not to filter as well as it should, and thus getting toxic quicker. Acetaminophen may be abbreviated or noted on a medicine bottle as Tylenol or APAP, APAP, so please read the labels of any medications that are taken.